All right, let's do it. Another video. January 17th, Sunday. MEIP. Let's take a look. Pharma. 99 million float. Short growth 11%. Market cap 319 million. A lot of cash, 176 million. What else down here? Insiders 11% owned. Institutions real good, 61%. Debt only 8+ million. It's real good. Enterprise value is 162 million, so it's overvalued right now. Pharmaceutical company which engages in the clinical development of therapies for cancer. Drug candidates include Press and Nostat, oral HDAC inhibitor. Developed a combination of azacitidine treatment for acute myeloid leukemia, myelodysplastic syndrome. Pipeline consists of ME401, oral PI3K, mitochondrial dystrophiness. Okay. Company was founded December 1st, 2000, headquartered in San Diego. 130,000 buys, insiders, no sells. Finviz, minus 45 million income, sales 31 million. They have a float, 109 million. January 14th, what type of shareholders own the most number of MEI Pharma shares? That was Wall Street, wrote simply Wall Street. They announced expansion of phase 1B study evaluating Zandazyslib clinical pipeline update. That was January 4th. What else? All right, reading down on Finviz's, what this company's about. They have a phase 2 clinical, phase IB. What else down here? Phase 2 clinical, another one. They have collaboration with Bigene license development with Helsin Healthcare, Presage Biosciences. All right, so let's see, no COVID. Look at the monthly here. So this has had 2 splits. This was way up. 2009 it crashed. Weekly, this has been down ever since the 2010 split. They had a split in 2013. Let's go right to the daily. See what we can come up with here. Yeah, here's the one line. All right, the one line's right here. So we touched that 2016. And then it looks like in March of this year when the market crashed, this went as low as about 70 cents. And look at this takeoff April. Big run. This ran all the way to like 450. Then came back. This 250 line is important. It's been holding. So it looks like we're going to look at lines here from 2018. This line right here. You're going to draw it down to the line right here as your high line, like June. And then the 250 line right here. All right, 250. Oh, get on the line. What's wrong with this? All right, so you see the high here? See the high's been getting lower here, bounced and went extremely low if they're bounces. And then look at this line right here, just above this 4 line. See, it went down again. Now you have this 250 line holding from August. The touch went down a little bit. See, we're touching almost November. We touched that hammer candle right in January. So we're back and forth. That 250 line is a very important line. If you go below it, look at this. You have a gap below, and this could fall to like 171. Now, what does the hold now? As far as, so I guess there's a line right here too. Call this a line right above 350. See this 350 line? touched again September. So there's lines within lines here. The immediate line looks like this 250 line, and the high's getting slightly lower. We need to break 3. If we can break above 3, then we're getting a 325, 350, right back to 4. So definitely have descending triangle forming. This low is holding at 250, but the high keeps bouncing lower, lower until should squeeze up, but it's hard to say when at this point. All right, that's MEIP. All right, CKPT. Let's look at this. All right, CKPT. Let's go check it out. Checkpoint Therapeutics, 52 million float. Short growth minus 3%. Market cap 227 million. They have 1 million revenue. 13% insiders, 19% institutions. It's not bad. No debt. Enterprise value 148 million, so it's overvalued. It's a clinical stage biopharmaceutical company which engages in acquisition, development, and commercialization, novel treatments for patients with solid tumor cancers. Product portfolio includes CK301, 101, 103, 302. Company's founded 2014, November 10th in New York, New York. 901,000 buys, 17,000 sells. That's really good on insiders. Finviz has 53 million float, income minus 21 million, 1.1 million sales. January 6th, last news. They're going to participate in virtual investor conferences. Nothing before that. This has been dead. No news on this either. So they deal with tumors, cancers. Phase 1 clinical they have for lung cancer. Phase 1 clinical for other cancers. All right, so that's in that. So this stock's been quiet as far as news. Let's take a look at the monthly. This one's straight down from 2017. And looks like we found the base. Now we're turning back up. I don't see no splits on this. As you can see, where's the low here? You can see the trend line coming up now. See it right here? Yeah, the low on this looks like just below 1. Right there, whatever that line is here. Let's go to the daily. What's this line? What's this line? Line looks like it's like 110. 110-ish. And then you can see a trend here. It looks like, see these lines right here? Draw a line right here. See this from 2018? The high is getting lower, lower each time. The low's been holding the overall low. And it looks like this trend line up is really strong. So you have right here, look at this, April, July. And the run along, everything's moving up. November, December. Look at this trend line up. It's a strong trend line. Now, where are we going from here? Well, 350 to 4. That's the next stop. That's a big trend line here. And then on the low here, you want this to hold 250. There it is. It's pretty simple in this one. And then, 3 immediately, that little 1320 EMA. So you see it right here. See this grinding, grinding. Then found like a double bottom pretty much. And then we're off. See this? Bounce, bounce. We keep getting higher. So this is looking better to the upside at this point. All right, IPWR. Let's move it on. All right, this is Ideal Power. 2 million float, market cap 26 million, minus 94% short growth. So that's good. Cash 3 million, 7% insiders, 36% institutions. No real debt, 221,000. Enterprise value 29 million. All right, it's development of power converter solutions and photovoltaic generation, grid storage, electrified vehicle charging, solar inverters, battery chargers, power pack switching. Company was founded by William C. Alexander, May 17th, 2007. Headquartered in Austin, Texas. So electric charging space, 15,000 buys, no sells insiders. Let's see here. Minus 7 million income, 0.2 million sales, 2.3 million float. Very low float. No news in this at all. The last news FinBiz as is December 9th. They've been quiet. Kind of strange. So the commercialization of its B-Train technology, transistor solid state switch technology. That's it. It's been a quiet stock. They're not jumping in on any news, which is odd. Market's high. You figure a company jumping on some news. They've one reverse split. This was back in 2019. Otherwise, we've been down for years since 2014. Weekly, sort of found a base here. See where the base is at. Base is at 2. This 2 line right here. See this from 2019, base. Base went below it. You can go below it, but the main area has been this 2 line. And now, where are we at here as far as getting over lines here? Looks like this 10 line is really big. This 10 line right here. See this from January, or not January, looks like July. And right here. This 2 line right there. There's the 10 line. All right, so see, someone's calling me. All right, see January 2019. And then we touched April. Look at that move. Then we came right back from that 10 line. Then we went all the way down. Reverse split happened for months and months. June, it started to pull up. We went from 2, 3, 4, all the way to 10 again. Looks like we're going to keep going. But the day after that 10 candle, we went all the way back down to 5. Held 5. Then we moved up again. Tested it. Didn't hold again. Then we went to 750. Then here we are again. Thursday, Friday, we're challenging this 10 again. It really wants to get over this 10, but it's not happening. You've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, about 10, 11 touches. So there it is. If you get over 10, you're going, of course, 11, go up $1 each dollar, 10. And then I would say the 15 would be the next big stop in this 15. And the low's been getting higher from 5, slightly higher to 550, 750. You want 850 to hold right now in this little battle zone. 850 to hold, and then once over 10, you want 10 as your resistance turns into support. So there you go on IPWR. All right, last one, FAMI. Let's check it out. All right, this is FAMI. FAMI Incorporated, 9.4 million float, short growth 19%, market cap 26 million, cash 5.7 million, revenue 30 million, assets 31 million. Insiders own 54%. That's very good. And let's see, institutions only 2%. Current debt's only 3.99 million. It's not bad. Enterprise value, even valued, 23 million. They supply agriculture products, focuses on processing, selling edible fungi, mainly shiitake and mushrooms. The company was founded by Yi Vang Zhang. Bang Zhang, and Zhang Wu Yang. July 28th, 2015, headquartered in Lushu, China. No insiders. This is a China play, which is real sketchy. All right. They have income on Finbiz 0.20, 30 million sales. Float 4.48 million. Simply Wall Street just wrote multiply of value going forward. There's nothing here. Farming launches specialized Chinese New Year mushroom gift boxes. That was the 14th. It regained compliance with NASDAQ minimum price. It got over $1. The products are in China, United States, Japan, Canada, Europe, and Middle East. Let's see. There sells third-party products, restaurants, cafeterias. All right. So let's take a look at this. Mushrooms. Yeah, this started in 2018. The stock got the sixth one all the way up to 10. And there you go. The move down. You can see it here. It's starting to rise up here. See these wicks? They want to go through. They want to go higher, but it's just not the time. Eventually, you get over your 13 EMA, which comes support. And on the weekly here, really had this 110 line. 110 line is huge. And then you have your rising line coming up here. So this is an ascending triangle in the weekly. Look at that. See the wrap around your EMAs. Look at these wicks. They keep trying to push up, but it doesn't get done exactly. And then you keep rising. You're low. You're low. You're low. And here we are on the daily. Let's check it out in this stock. So this went all the way from 190 all the way to below 40 cents. Down support 50. Now look at these spikes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we broke through. Now this is where a breakthrough works. This 110 line has been really a problem. The low kept getting higher each time. When you see that in a triangle, the odds of a long increase so much. So we broke through this big move here December, went all the way up, and look where we came back. These big three red candles, people thought, oh, we're going back, and it held at 110. And then look at it here. Now we're battling. Now we got to go over 140. If we get over 140 here, 150 to 2 range right here. See that big cluster? And if this comes back again, you want this 120 to hold right here at 120, or else we get back to 110 again. So, let's see here, 110. Yeah, 110 level. Came back. Got the red candle here, but right in this section here, we're above that 110, which is important. So this has potential too. It's on mushrooms. They do all kinds of agriculture. It's kind of weird. All right, so that's it on this. So some good trend lines develop here, and you can definitely see these. That's it for this round of stocks. Please subscribe, like Cayman Trades on YouTube. Hit the subscribe button. Trade ideas, my referral in YouTube if you want to hit it. Twitter, Mike Frank 007. TikTok, Mike Frank III. Instagram, Mike Frank 98. Stock Twits, Mike Cayman Trades. That is it. We're out for now, and peace out, everybody.